How to sort cryptos by price on CoinMarketCap app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to sort cryptos by price on CoinMarketCap. So first thing, go to the app. This is the home page, as you can see right here. Go here in the down and click on your profile picture, and now here you will find the settings and you can change anything from here. But if you want to sort the cryptos by the price, just go to the prices option down here and click on sort by here. Now right here you will find many options. Click on price and the cryptos are sorted by the price right now. Easy and fast. Don't forget to like and subscribe.